Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today in this video we are going to solve TCS NQT 31st of Jan 2023 asked question. And all the questions which we are going to discuss in this video is also very important for TCS BPS and Smart Hiring examination. So you will be able to understand the difficulty level and the important topic for the TCS examination, and you will also learn the shortcut tricks to solve the question. Before I start solving the problem, I wanted to tell you, so in your examination on the right corner you will be seeing a on screen calculator. That means for any calculation you can use the calculator, and here you can see time left, so there will be timer will be there for the particular problems. Okay, and here I will be taking more time to solve the problem. See, this question can be easily solved in 30 seconds, but I will be taking more time because see, here we have a student, those who are not good at maths, okay, and their basics is not good. So I will be considering all the student out here, right? Okay. Now question number one is from the topic simplification. Okay. So this is from the simplification. The simplest form of this particular is, okay. Friends, one thing here, if we have a square root of x, so if we have a square root of x, I can also write down like this, x to the power 1 by 2. If we have cube root of x, then I can also write x to the power 1 by 3. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now similar thing here, so instead of this square root, I am going to write, okay, so I am going to write 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, and already here minus 2 by 3 is there. Okay, and then the whole to the power 3. Okay, fine. Now let us see, so this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, right? Okay, so what we have now, x to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, and see, if we have a to the power x and to the power y, then it will become a to the power x into y. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind if you do not know. So x to the power minus 2 by 3, and from here it will come minus 1 by 3, and this particular 3, right? So this particular 3. Okay, see how I am able to write like this, because a to the power x and whole to the power y, it will be a to the power x into y. Okay, now so here minus and minus will become plus, 3 and 3 cancelled, and minus will become plus, so x to the power 2 by 3. That means your option D will become the correct answer. That's simple. Okay, so that's simple, you do not have to put much effort. The only thing is you have to know this, and you have to know this, and then this problem becomes very simple. Okay, now so question number 2. So question number 2, if a is this, b is this, and c is this, then find the value of c into a plus b. So let us first calculate what is a plus b. So a is root 3 plus root 2, and b is root 3 minus root 2. So root 2 and root 2 cancelled, so a plus b will become 2 root 3. And what about a plus c? So a plus c, again a is same, root 3 plus root 2. And what about c? So root 2 minus root 3. See, this also you can say this is an algebra problem. I say that is a simplification problem. Okay, it's up to you. So there is nothing in telling, okay, the different topic name. As such, you are able to solve the problem. Now c, so c is root 2 minus root 3. Okay, and c, okay, into a plus b. A plus b is what? 2 root 3 divided by, okay, b. So b is what? So b is root 3 minus root 2. Now I am placing the values, and a plus c is nothing but 2 root 2. So anyway 2 and 2 will get cancelled, right? Okay, now so square root of 2 into square root of 3 will be square root of 6, and or what we can do, we can keep it like this only, square root of 2 into square root of 3 minus, and square root of 3 into square root of 3 will become 3, and then here square root of 3 into square root of 2 and minus 2, right? So this is what we have got it as of now. Okay, so fine, what we can do here now, so this will become root 6 minus 3, and here root 6 minus 2. Okay, because 3 into 2 will be 6. So I am doing, see, I am going into very much even I am not missing one step also, so that things will be clear to you now. So here I am going to normalize means, so what we have to do, the denominator, okay, the denominator we have to write with the plus sign. So that is how we rationalize or normalize, whatever you say. Okay, root 6 plus root 2. So now 6 into 6 will be 6, and then here if you multiply, then it will become 2 root 6, and then this multiplication 3 root 6 and minus 6 divided by, so this is a minus b and into a plus b, so it will become a square minus b square. So this will become 6 minus 4. So square root of 6, square root of 6 square will give you 6 minus 4, right? Okay, so this is algebra. 6 and 6 cancelled, and here we will be having minus root 6, okay, because minus 3 root 6 and plus 2 root 6 minus root 6 divided by 2, right? Okay, but if you'll see, the answer is given in a square root of 2 and a square root of 3 form, so no problem. A square root of 6 I can write like this, okay, because earlier we had multiplied, right? So a square root of 3 into a square root of 2, and 2 I can write it a square root of 2 into a square root of 2, so my answer will become minus a square root of 3 divided by minus square root of 2. That means option 3 will become the correct answer. See, again I am telling, see, there are a lot of, see, this step was not required. Please try to understand. Please try to understand, it is not complicated. This step was not required. I could have directly written like this, right? See, a plus b, you can also see that the square root of 2 square root of 2 will get cancelled. You could have directly written 2 square root of 3, right? So these two steps were not required when we were solving the problem, okay? Then this step was not required, right? See, directly a square root of 2 into a square root of 3 will be square root of 6, right? So directly this step you would have jumped, okay, and then we could have easily gone here. So maximum 3 to 4 step is there to solve this question, but I wanted to explain everything in detail so that anyone watching this video will not have any doubt at the end of this video. And friends, I have seen the comments of all the videos which I do aptitude. I will see very less doubt. I will see 1 or 2 doubt maximum by the student. So that is the reason I explain in very much detail. Now, question number 3. So question number 3 says, if the simple interest on a certain amount for 8 years at 8% per annum is nothing but 9,216. So simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100, right? So simple interest is given 9216, and principal we have to find out. Rate is given 8%, and time is given 8 and divided by 100, right? Now I will use calculator, because why simply I should waste my time, right? So why simply I should divide and waste my time? So 9216 divided by 64 will be equal to 144. That means 14400 is nothing but my principal, right? Okay, now, so, and the interest for n years, and the interest for time is equal to n years, okay, and rate is equal to n% is nothing but 3600, okay. Now, so here simple interest will again become equal to PRT by 100. So simple interest now is 3600. Principal we have got 14400. Rate if you will talk, then it is nothing but n, and time is also n, so n square divided by 100. This 20 and this 20 is cancelled. 36 4 times, okay, 4 times, and 4, this is 25 times, so n will become 5, okay. That means, so if the simple interest on a certain amount for 8 years at 8% per annum is 9216, and the interest for n years at n% is this, then what is the value of n? So the value of n will be 5. Option A becomes the correct answer for question number 3. Now question number 4. A jockey sells his horse for rupees. So a jockey is selling the horse at 15,48,750 rupees, okay. He realizes that his profit amounts to, so his profit is equals to 20% of selling price. 20% of selling price, so 20%, so 20 by 100 into 1548,750. This is nothing but the selling price, okay. So 20 will divide this by 5 times. So basically, so I will not do any calculation here, because calculation if we are doing, there is a chances that we will do the mistake. So use calculator for everything. At least TCS should also realize that they have done a mistake, right? So 30, 97 and 50, right? So my profit is nothing but, here I will write 30, 97 and 50. Now what they're asking, what is his profit percentage? Okay, so friends, profit percentage, so profit percentage will be equal to profit divided by cost price into 100, because profit is always calculated on cost price. See, you should know in what price you bought this pen, then only you can see. If you bought in 10 rupees and selling at 15, then you can tell the profit. If you bought in 10 selling at 5, you can tell the loss, right? So profit divided by cost price. Profit, 309750 into 100. Now how to calculate the cost price, right? Okay, so here, selling price will be equal to cost price plus profit, right? So cost price will be nothing but selling price minus profit. Selling price you already know, so 15 lakhs 48,000 and 750, and minus your profit will be 309750. Just subtract it here. So okay, I will just directly do minus 15 4 8 750. Okay, so here you will be having a positive value. So 123930, 123930. Okay, so 2020 cancelled, and now what we have to do, 309750 divided by 12390, and this is what is your answer. So 25% will be his profit percentage, and with the help of on-screen calculator we have done the calculation, and for question number 4, option B is the correct answer. Friends, the question from simple interest and compound interest were more, and I also wanted to tell you, friends, so you might be okay, so you might be getting different question, because there will be set of questions will be there, like set A, set B, set C, set D. So for you this question might not have asked, okay, for someone else it would have been asked, okay. So that also you have to keep in mind. And I also wanted to tell you, friends, so if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And because we see any kind of hiring videos, or the examination videos, preparation videos, everything we upload it on our channel, okay. Now, friends, question number 5. So, a certain amount lent at 10% per annum compounded annually becomes rupees 9,680 in 2 years. Okay. Then, what is the amount if rupees 4,000 more than the given amount is invested at the rate of 15% per annum for 2 years, compound interest compounded annually? So friends, the first thing here is the principal has not been given, okay. So let us try to calculate the principal. So as you know, in compound interest, amount will be nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, okay. See, try to understand here. So a certain amount means you invested some amount, that means principal, at 10% per annum compounded annually becomes rupees. So that means after 2 years you are getting 9,680 rupees. That is nothing but your amount, right? Okay, principal we need to calculate. Rate is nothing but 10%, and time is nothing but 2 years. So 9680 is equals to 1010, cancel. Principal into 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 square. I have taken LCM here. Now 9680 is equals to principal into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now you see 11 8 ja 88, 11 8 ja 88, 0. Then 11 8 times 88, right? So principal will be equal to 80 into 10 into 10, that is nothing but 8,000 rupees. We have got the principal here. Now, what is the amount if 4,000 more than the given amount? So the given amount was nothing but 8,000 rupees. So now it will become total 8,000, and plus we are going to invest 4,000 more, so it will become 12,000. So what is the amount if 4,000 more than the given amount is invested at the rate is also given 15% per annum for time is equals to 2 years. So now amount will be equal to principal, that is nothing but 12,000 into 1 plus, right? So 1 plus 15 by 100, time is 2. So 5 threes are and 520 times. So 12,000 into 20 plus 3, 23 by 20 square. 12,000 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. So you see 1010 cancel, 1010 cancel, 4 threes are 12, right? So, and 23 into 23 will be 529 into 30. So no need of using calculator here. 3 9 just 27, 3 2 just 6 plus 2 8, and 3 5s are 15, 15,870. Option 3 will become the correct answer for the question number 5. See friends, all these steps are unnecessary steps which we are doing. I'm telling you, there are many steps which is redundant here. The only thing is we should know from where and how to remove. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is going to be very, very important. This is a mensuration question, and I would like to say this is a very good question because the proper basic understanding is required for this question. The curved surface area of a solid metallic cone is 265. How the cone look like? So friends, you must be knowing about ice cream, right? So ice cream is nothing but a cone only. Okay, so your ice cream looks like this, right? So definitely the figure is not very correct. So this is nothing but R, and this is L, and this will be nothing but H here. Okay, H. Fine. Now, so what is the information given here? The curved surface area of a solid metallic cone is 260 pi centimeter square. So the curved surface area. So the curved surface area curved surface area of a cone will be pi RL, and here it has been given 260 pi. Okay, now friends, before that I wanted to tell you the question what they're asking is, so the curved surface area of a solid metallic cone is 265 pi. Okay, 260 pi, and its base radius they have given is 10 centimeter. Okay, and it is melted and recast into a solid right circular cylinder of height 32 centimeter. Okay, so friends, here I wanted to tell you, so in all this process volume will be same. Okay, so volume of cone will be equal to the volume of cylinder, because the same cone, okay, the same cone we are melting and recasting into a solid right circular cylinder, right? So the volume will be same. So basically what I'm going to do, so I am going to make the volume same, and after that I will get the data, and with the data I will be able to solve the surface area, right? So pi RL, pi and pi cancelled, and radius, so radius is given 10 centimeter here. So 10 into L will be equal to 260. So this 0 cancelled, so we got the value of L is equals to 26 centimeter. Okay, so this 26 centimeter we got. One more thing, so sir, what is the volume of the cone? So 1 by 3 pi r square H. And what is the volume of cylinder here? So the volume of cylinder will be pi r square H. So in this case both has to be equal. Okay, now because the same cone we are recasting into cylinder, please try to understand. So L we got, but for volume we need H. So how we will get H? So we will be using Pythagoras theorem. So H will be equal to L square 26 square minus R square. R is nothing but 10 square. So 676 minus 100 will be equal to 576, and 576 square root is 24. That means this H is nothing but 24. So the volume of the cone 1 by 3 into pi, R is nothing but 10 into 10, and now H is 24. And what about volume of cylinder? Pi. Okay, R we don't know, and H. So the height of the cylinder is given 32 centimeter. So this pi and pi cancelled, and 3 8 ja, and 8 4 ja, and 4 25 times. So we got the radius of this circular cylinder is nothing but 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now what has been asked to you? Total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, so 2 pi, I will keep it like this. Why sir? Because in the option we have pi, radius is 5. Okay, so this I'm talking about the cylinder. This I am talking about the cylinder. And r, so r is nothing but 5, and h is nothing but 32. So 2 into 5, 10 pi into 37. So total will be 370 pi. That means option 3 will become the correct answer for the question number 6. And all the question today which we solved here are very, very good questions, interesting question. So thanks a lot for being there in this complete session. This will give you a lot of information, and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We will be solving every shift problem. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.